Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an easy touch-up skim coat. This will also be the third coat of joint compound on the corner bead and tape joints. You're not going to want to miss this. In the previous videos of this skim coating series, I showed you some tips and tricks of how to skim coat. The reason I skim coated the new drywall was because of all the natural light coming in. I also showed you how to just scrape after the first skim coat instead of having to do any sanding whatsoever. Alright, let's get the corner bead first because that's going to take the longest to dry. I need to sand this and be out of here. Hopefully by 1 or 2 today. I'll leave links in the description to all the previous videos in this skim coating series. I'm just trying to get where the corner bead is, and there's a little, let's show you, see that light coming through? That needs to be filled basically. Then this corner will be done. I need to sand it a little bit, scrape. What I'm doing here is just removing any excess joint compound from the corner of the corner bead, because if you let it dry, there's potential for little chunks to get all in your joint compound if you do any other mud work. When you put your knife over a tape joint and see any light coming through, you know you need more mud in that area. I also like to feel the surface of the wall as I go, because I can always find something that I can't see with my eyes. As I go around, I'm hitting any areas that I see that are thin or divots with joint compound. As you'll see throughout this video, I pay special attention to all the corners. It's very important to keep the corners tight and square. Hey, I wanted to give a shout out to anybody new to my channel. Welcome. If you're into home repairs, fine-tuning your drywall skills and texture matching skills, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a DIYer, contractor, handyman, I got some tips and tricks for you. Over the years, I've been doing this for over 2 decades, so subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell notification so you get alerted whenever I'm posting a new video. Thanks again. Hope you're enjoying the video. One of the key factors in minimizing the sanding you're going to have to do after the skim coating is complete is to just keep a minimum amount of mud on your knife. Don't pile it up thick. Vanity going in this area where the plumbing is, but I like to keep everything nice and tight. Want to learn how to mix skim coating mud? I'll leave a link in the video card above.
doing low, and then I'll get up on the step ladders or walkboards. Oh yeah, got carried away. Got some corner bead to do. Tile's going to be coming over to hit this edge here somewhere, so I'm just going to finish off this corner. He's going to hit that with some more Aqua Defense liquid membrane, which is the green stuff.
Doing the window returns this way minimizes any mud getting all over your windows. Want to see an easier way for a DIYer to do a skim coat? Check out how to skim coat with a paint roller in the video card above.
Got the bead second coated, and I got several areas fine tuned. There's the other bead, vinyl. I'm gonna head up on my walkboards and just tighten up any little areas of the high area, and then tighten up these angles a little bit, just teeny bit. Scrape. These lights really help light everything up. See the whole angle. I'm pushing in the middle and just kind of swiping it to the side, which keeps me from leaving a knife mark. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of just pushing in the middle, both ends aren't even hardly touching. And that sideways swipe keeps me from leaving a mark. Let me get the bottom of these angles and then just go ahead and skim it. That's another way to mud it. If you look, you can see ridges where it hits. If I do it this way, it fills everything and leaves no mark. No marks, no humps, no lumps, no bumps means no sanding, or very minimal sanding. Which is a beautiful thing. Nobody likes to sand. Not even the pros. If you look, there's a little line right here. Little hole right there. All this is going to get filled. Always use your hands to feel it. You can always, a lot of times, find things that your eye don't see. Those little boogers I didn't even see. I'm going to come back, smooth it out. I'm just getting mud out. This is all-purpose joint compound, thinned down just a little bit. The first coat of the skim coat was a lot thinner. Yeah, this fills the lines. A lot of times when you do corners, you'll have the tape will have a line right along both edges. This fills it perfectly.
Skim coat a wall in less than 10 minutes. I'll put a link in the video card above.
Looking good, looking good. I know that's loud. Can't help it. Here we go. Casing around all these openings, in case you're wondering. Loving this. All right, I'm gonna hit this whole corner till I can't reach, drop back. All right, skim coated, looking good. That's the key, just keep her smooth. Don't put too much mud on. All right, looking good. Got all that skim coated.
Stay tuned for my next video, how to sand a skim coat.
I'm gonna sand this out with my sanding sponge. There's not a lot of humps or edges to sand. I'm just gonna give it a quick go over.
Be sure to check out my video library of over 200 helpful drywall, texturing, and even painting tips and tricks. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now to keep up with all my latest videos. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.